Hi, my name is ADNAN ASLAM. I am from Bihar. Basically, I completed my B.TECH with computer science with 6.92 CGPA, and after that I joined to Jspiders in month of October 2024, where I got trained by there I take the course of Java full stack, and I got trained by I got trained for front end by Reshma ma'am, and for the back end like Java I take that means trainers. There is a wonderful trainers, that is Kaushik sir and Manjunath sir, and then Pawan sir also take for us collections, and for advanced Java Ravi sir, and for after that they are taking lots of continuously they are taking that say mock interviews and grooming session also, that also definitely help us, and in where I got placed at